If you want to cancel a digital legacy invitation on OneDrive before the trusted contact accepts it, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it safely and easily. This is useful if you sent the invitation by mistake, changed your mind, or simply want to remove access before anyone accepts the request. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in with a Microsoft account that manages the files and settings. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. From the menu that opens, click Settings again to access your account and storage options. Now, inside the Settings area, look for Digital Legacy and open it. This is the section where OneDrive manages trusted contact invitations and legacy access settings. If you've already sent an invitation, you should see the pending trusted contact listed there. Next, find the invitation you want to cancel. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct person, especially if you have sent more than one invitation. Once you've confirmed it's the right one, click Cancel Invitation or Remove next to that contact. Depending on your account and layout, Microsoft may show slightly different wording, but the process is the same. If a confirmation message appears, review it carefully and confirm the action. This step is important because it permanently stops that pending invitation from being accepted. After that, the trusted contact will no longer be able to complete the digital legacy setup from that invite. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can cancel a digital legacy invitation on OneDrive and make sure access is removed before it's accepted. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy how-to guide.